2212 Fountain Valley. Screen door. So far from what I've seen, the flooring looks fine. Definitely repaint. I also couldn't get that block out, so I'm just gonna show you the backyard. Some beautiful trees, but it needs rock. I'd be surprised if this room is permitted. I contacted the agent and he said he didn't know it was done before the seller moved in. I would just be surprised if it was. The flooring still looks fine. Changed to tile here. We actually have the 2.5-inch forward blinds in this room, and they look fine in this room. It's the only room that has it, which is interesting. Transition here to tile, I think. Okay, that's the property.